everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so we are doing yellow this week. I know I was gone last week. My skin needed a break and it was breaking out, so we had to take a whole break, and I didn't feel like doing makeup either, or filming or editing like right now. Like I really didn't talk a whole lot during this video because I'm not in the mood. I don't know why. Like I just want to do makeup and just be done with it. I don't know what's going on right now with me. I don't know. But this is the first yellow look of the week. Okay, so if you want to see I got this look, then keep watching, right? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Okay. And I'll see you on next look, hopefully. Right? Hit the subscribe button. Okay. Okay, so the first palette we're going into is from Prissy Paint Cosmetics. Their Instagram is small brand. And I'm going to take this yellow right here. It's the first color. Okay, and all that blue just fell out of there. Okay, and then for a second, we're going to go into the Satin Rose Brew palette and take Pumpkin Spice, which is that mustard yellow. Okay, and I already used my Too Faced concealer in the color Sand. It's an eye base. I need to get a lighter one, so when I do bright colors like this, they'll pop more. Okay, and then we'll go into this mustard yellow and just pop it right here. No, you can only mix so many yellows together. So yes. But I'm going to try to come up with some different color yellow combos for the week, since that's the color we're doing this week, which is yellow. Okay, and then for the crease, we're going to take a ginger and cinnamon, which is the lightest browns. Okay, and I'm taking the Inglot number 94 to cut my crease. Okay, so for the lid, I'm going to take the Jlarue Cosmetics pigment in the color Heavenly. And then I'm going into another one of the pigments. It's the yellow one. And it's called Lemon Drop. Okay, so for the glitter, I'm going to take Touch of Fenty Cosmetics Chunky Glitter. This is called Lemon. I think it should be. They have other ones, but this is my favorite one. It's like a mixture between chunky and fine glitter. It's really cute. Okay, I'm taking a gold liquid liner and I dip some glitter in it. And I want to bring it out. Okay, and I'm going to take the NYX liquid liner and Black, and then the yellow one is Vivid Escape and Halo. Okay, so this pink I'm about to put in my inner corner is from the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. It's the hot pink. It's in there. Okay, and then I'm taking a light pink shimmer shadow and put on top of it. Okay, so I'm taking Juvia's Place loose highlighter and Royalty 2. I want to do a pink highlighter, but they may be overkilling it, really. And I picked a more bronzy highlighter so they give like a sun-kissed feel. I didn't want it to be too gold